Can Xiaomi TV download apps? Yes, Xiaomi TVs can download apps, provided they run on Android TV or Google TV. These operating systems give users access to the Google Play Store, where they can download a wide range of apps, including streaming services, games, and productivity tools. However, some Xiaomi TVs with custom software like PatchWall may have limited app availability. 1. Downloading apps from the Google Play Store. Xiaomi smart TVs with Android TV or Google TV come pre-installed with the Google Play Store, allowing users to download apps directly. Users can access the store from the home screen, search for apps, and install them with a single click. Apps like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and Spotify are commonly available. 2. How to download apps on Xiaomi TV. Step 1. Turn on the Xiaomi TV and ensure it is connected to the internet. Step 2. Press the home button on the remote and open the Google Play Store. Step 3. Use the search bar to find the desired app. Step 4. Select the app and click Install. Step 5. Once installed, open the app from the home screen or the Apps section. 3. Installing third-party apps, APK files. For apps not available in the Google Play Store, users can sideload APK files by downloading them from trusted sources. This method allows users to install apps manually, but requires enabling unknown sources in the TV settings. Using a file manager app or USB drive can help transfer and install APK files. 4th, Xiaomi TVs with PatchWall and App Availability. Some Xiaomi TVs use PatchWall, which is a custom interface over Android TV. While PatchWall enhances content recommendations, app downloads still rely on the Google Play Store. If an app is unavailable, users may need to switch to the Android TV interface or sideload the app manually. 5th, troubleshooting app installation issues. If an app cannot be downloaded, users should check their internet connection, clear the Google Play Store cache, or restart the TV. Ensuring the TV's firmware is updated also helps resolve compatibility issues. If an app is region locked, using a VPN might enable access to restricted content. Xiaomi TVs can download and install apps through the Google Play Store, making them highly versatile. For unavailable apps, users can try sideloading APKs or using alternative app stores. Keeping the TV updated ensures a smooth experience when downloading and using apps.